So we just pulled up. What we're doing is a hive removal and relocation, which is fairly close. So I'm happy about that. We have a natural hive, which is a substantial hive for being my first hive to deal with. It's should I say, a natural, God-given gift that I have to utilize to my benefit and give them a home to where they can keep producing. So, you guys wish me luck, and next clip you'll be able to see where the majority of the bees are. They're in this shed right here, and that's the entrance. And it's been 3 days me clearing this thing out to figure out where these ladies have been working. If you can see, they're very active. Their hive is turned upside down. I'm going to go in here and try to find the queen. When I say try to find the queen, I want to do this as methodically and peacefully as possible. I'm going to get her into a jar, masonry jar, and cut off a few brood hives and attach them to frames that I've created and get them situated. And hopefully they're all going to be nice and happy. Just cross your fingers. See you in a bit.